Before we start this next section, I'm reminded of the famous Comstock mine, the gold mine in the California gold rush in California. Comstock dug for years and years and years and years. He was absolutely exhausted, and he had never really found that mother lode. And he was kind of worn out, and somebody came along and said, we'll give you $11,000. Now, I think this was 1890, so that was a lot of money, $11,000 in 1890. And he was pretty exhausted, and so he said, you know what, it's a good deal. I'm exhausted. I'm giving up on finding the mother lode. The guy that wrote the $11,000 check, within a couple of weeks, only dug 5 feet down, and he hit the Comstock lode, which generated over $400 million in the 1800s. It was a massive hit, but it's really a lesson in not giving up. You've come a long way on this course right now. We're now getting to the point where you're becoming a master in understanding it. Go back and watch things a couple times, get it into your psyche. Now we're going to put it all together and create your own personal game plan. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to use everything we've talked about so far to build a foolproof game plan to land your next job and the job after that and the job after that. Now that you know how to use the Better Job platform, it's time for the most important part of your job search, plus relationship building efforts, formulating a plan of attack and sticking to it. This is fun. This is good part. Staying active plus executing your plan is the best thing you can do for yourself. You've invested in yourself in this program. Whether you can invest only 1 hour a day or several hours a day, consistency is the key. For example, I recommend to people that they log on 45 minutes a day during their job search for at least 90 days. That's not a whole lot, and you can do it while you're eating lunch or whatever. Obviously, the more time you can allocate towards your job search, the faster you will see results. But slow and steady works too. For example, we had an executive making over $800,000 a year as chief operating officer of a major company. He took the tool, learned it in 1 hour, and he put in hours and hours and hours. We never heard from him. He was rocking away. 45 days later, he called and said, you should have charged me $50,000. I went from $800,000 a year to $1.2 million a year in the city I grew up in where I wanted to live. You can do that at any level. It's a matter of how much time you put in. Here is the game plan that I would recommend. Anyone plus anybody can do this. Plus, I've rarely seen it fail when somebody really gives it their all. I'm trying as hard as I can right now to do something I've never done before, which is making these tapes for you. I need you to do the same thing. Roll up your sleeves and use this tool. I want to hear from you. We want your positive testimony on our website. So number 1, get your mindset right from the beginning. All the action is right here. It's important to acknowledge from the start that job searching is not easy. Go into this endeavor knowing that it's a long process and it's a steady process. Take things one day at a time, plus expect some days to be tougher than others. I think they call that life, but I wanted to set your mindset. Do what you need to do to stay positive plus focused. Review our earlier lesson on how to get in the right mindset, plus how to stay motivated. We'll be doing a lot of social media posts on my LinkedIn site and other social media to help you keep motivated. Plus, we'll be releasing to you, as a client of ours, updates on the platform. Number 2, get your resume plus LinkedIn looking nice. If you missed it, be sure to circle back to our section on how to knock your resume plus LinkedIn profile out of the park. To do a quick polish on your resume plus your LinkedIn site, I would calendar 15 minutes a month on your calendar to update your resume plus your LinkedIn profile. While both of these things aren't end all be all, it's important to demonstrate your professionalism by keeping them up to date, organized, and clean. Remember a tip I told you? I update my pictures every once in a while because people are flashing and surfing the web so fast, it makes them stop and think. I'm wearing my green Irish sweatshirt for the same reason. I put that on LinkedIn a couple times and people stopped and said, oh, are you Irish? And I said, partly. If you already know exactly what you want to do in your next career, then you can skip this step. But for everybody else, take the time to really work out exactly what you want to do and where you want to work. Oh, and if you missed it, go back to how to figure out what career to pursue and why networking is so important. I like relationship better than network, but you know what I'm saying. where we walk you through how to choose your career path. That's very important. You got to know where you want to go, and then you can use all these tools to get there. You set the parameters based on things like geography. Now you can pick where you want to live, especially in the gig economy where remote working is so accepted. You can pick the industry you want to work in and the company size. Number 4, once you know what you want, strive toward favorite 5 new companies every day. Try and find those favorite 5 companies every day to put into your system. Using the parameters you just defined, use the Organization Search tab to find 5 new potential companies every single day to add to your favorites list. This will begin to snowball and pick up momentum and give you insights, and you'll see patterns and trends starting to pan out. If you need a refresher on how to use the Organization Search tab, go back to our section called Mastering the Better Job Platform, Finding Companies and People. Start with companies that have recently raised capital or that are on the Inc. 5,000 fastest growing companies list. When companies are experiencing growth, guess what they're doing? They're looking for new people. In many cases, they cannot hire fast enough in our new high growth economy, and 80% of the jobs are never going to make it to a job posting board. That's why you have the power to go find them, identify them, and get them. This is the perfect opportunity for you. Number 5, for every company you add, visit their website, plus check their careers page. See if they have any job openings that appeal to you. If there is, write it down in your notes on the favorites tab. If not, don't worry about it. It's not a problem at all, because most of the jobs we have helped people get have been created based on the personal brand that the person has developed and conveys to the company. Number 6, now make your first contact with your target at those companies in your favorites list. To revisit how to choose who to email and how to get their verified email address, go back to our section, Mastering the Better Job Platform, Finding Companies and People, and Finding Emails. For a refresher on exactly what to say word for word, go back to the How to Write Effective Emails to land the job. If there's a job opening that interests you, be sure to inquire about it right now. And if the job doesn't list job openings at all, don't forget to ask about any available opportunities when you reach out, because you know they're not published. Once you send out the emails, update your next action column carefully with a reminder to check back with each company once a week until you make contact with somebody. Make this part of your daily routine. If your first attempt doesn't work out and they don't open your email, move on to another